Hi everyone, this is Mr. Neil Reiter, also known as the Wax Whisperer. Thank you for tuning in to my latest video. This is of a 3-year-old patient who attended back in the summer, or should I say autumn, with what we eventually discovered to be a baby tooth inside their ear. The tooth was lodged against the eardrum. They've been trying to remove it using drops, but it stuck to the eardrum. The eardrum's slightly inflamed, a bit of vasculitis, a bit of redness. I'm going to let you watch the video, guys, with the audio, and I'll come back to you at the end of the video. Really still, and we're going to watch it all back together.
Good boy.
Nice and still, that's it. It's so good. Wow, look at you. Lovely and still, okay?
Good boy.
Oh, you're so brave. Lovely and still. Got it. I haven't got a clue what it is. I mean, to me it looks a bit like dead skin, but obviously it's not. It's a piece of plastic.
Yeah. Don't move.
It's all done.
Back.
What's that? What did you put in your ear?
What is that, Tara?
Remember what it is?
It looks like a bogey.
Oh, no, we don't want a bogey.
That's not a bogey, that's very hard.
Yeah, it's like a tooth almost.
Yeah,
It's like got that enamel feel about it.
Well, thank you for staying so it's come out.
You did so well. Yeah, I really don't know what it is.
It does look like a tooth, kind of.
Yeah, I mean,
I leave that by my tooth.
it's got that. It's like enamel.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a small tooth if it's anyone, but obviously it's children's tooth there. I can't imagine it being that small though.
Right, so yeah.
I fell.
Sorry. Can I put it on?
Your guess is as good as mine.
Yeah, not quite. I'm going to take that and
Yeah,
I'll show it to the school to try and see if they've got anything that they play with or... No, of course not. So there we have it, a baby tooth extracted from someone's ear. Lovely child. The child has been before in the past. Unfortunately, we feel that some of his friends at school may be encouraging him to putting things in his ears, bless him. So yeah, that was quite an interesting one. I hope you found that interesting. Last thing I would imagine is extracting a tooth from someone's ear. It was so unthinkable that I was thinking of all other plausible possible alternatives to being a tooth, but it was actually a tooth in the end. I hope you enjoyed that video, guys, and you're keeping well and safe, and hopefully I'll upload some new videos during the rest of the week. Bye.